Alright, here's my portfolio. It just has some things about me in it and things that employers will look at. So my qualifications, why I think I should be hired. So it's my name, obviously. It's a nice picture of me. I try to make it look professional. No rips in the shirt, nothing inappropriate. Just a nice smile. Something that is obviously safe for work. I got my major right there. A little about me, what I'm doing in life right now, how I'm a student at Stockton studying history. Got the history of my education right here. My high school, my community college, and obviously Stockton. So my work experience, because again, this is kind of like a resume. Employers are looking at this. Here's my contact information. If an employer sees this and potentially wants to hire me, they can contact me through that to get more information. Here's some pictures. I didn't want to leave a bunch of blank space. It doesn't look very professional. And here's some of my tools that we went over in class. I decided to throw on there. We have my the Thing Link, Padlet, Pearl Tree, Google Quiz, Whiteboard, Add Puzzle, Padlet. Just click the Padlet, for example. Bring them right there. Employers can see like what I've done, these projects I've done. They'll see it looks professional. I know what I'm doing. And that's why I think if someone looks at this, I think I should be hired. They'll see I have tools. I have a professional thing here. A lot of people can't say that. I have stuff about me, and I think if someone sees this, they'll be interested to reach out to me. Just go over the tools real quick. Like I said before, we have the Padlet, use that as an example. We also have the Thing Link, one of my favorite tools we went over in class. Once that loads, you'll see that. The employer or anyone that is interested in me can see this. They'll see these projects I've done. Like they can see I can incorporate different tools in the classroom. Padlet like before, Whiteboard, Google Quiz, Pearl Tree. Whiteboard is another one of my favorites. This looks pretty professional, and if an employer sees this, I think it'll definitely catch their interest. Like he was able to make a project like this. And that's about it. I think an employer, if they see this, they'll be able to see my qualifications, my education, my work experience, my projects I've done, and I think it'll put me above the rest, people that don't have portfolios. Thank you.